It was kind of driving me a little bit crazy. It was $3,000. I am so freaking happy with this. It's unbelievable. Hi guys! Thanks. I am so pumped to show you guys how I am spicing up my loungewear. I'm not going to keep you guys too long and just get into the haul to show you guys how to make these bomb ass Instagram like aesthetic, I don't even know, like sweatsuits. I think they're really, really dope. Let's go into the mini haul because it's obviously important to find a good sweatsuit to do this on. I'm sure a lot of you like me have acquired so many sweatsuits over this past year, so this is definitely a great way to spice one up. I decided to buy one new to show you guys some options in case you didn't have one. Both pieces were $15. I actually got this one at Walmart. So the first thing I have here is these sweatpants. They're just the regular Walmart house brand. And then I also got the coordinating jumper or like crew neck, whatever you want to call it. And we are actually going to be cropping this one. One of my favorite staples is these Fruit of the Loom sports bras. They're super, super comfy. They come in a pack of 3 and it's about $17 for the 3 of them. And then the last pair of sweatpants we are going to be working with is these ones. These are probably my least favorite sweatpants in my collection. They're just a plain black, there's just not much going on with them. So guys, this is actually what you'll really want and totally like the secret ingredient to this entire DIY. It is this like repro elastic or whatever. Go on Etsy, look up like designer elastic or look up just like decorative elastic and you're bound to stumble onto this, but it'll definitely give you that like Instagram like aesthetic type of look. I decided to get 2 yards of the Fendi one off of Etsy, and then I also got the Dior one just to spice it up. Change of scene, you guys can see like we're in a completely different place obviously because we moved and all that. Okay, so let's start with the sweatsuit, and I kind of wanted this part to kind of look like boys underwear, almost peeking out of the bottom, but I know in order to do that I'm gonna have to measure myself and where I want these to hit exactly. I'm gonna actually crop this whole sweater, so I will need to measure the elastic for where I want the crop to hit, which is about here. So depending on how tight you want it, I just want it like a little bit snug. Oh, and I have a little piece left. I don't know, should I make a headband? So now that I have those 2 things, I'm gonna cut the sweater where I want it cropped. 8 inches off of the sweater on the bottom. There you go. I'm gonna flip you guys over here and actually show you guys on my iPhone what this looks like, so that way you'll know how to pin this accordingly. So iPhone cam here, we've cropped the sweater perfectly straight. We're actually gonna flip this inside out and then good sides facing together. We're gonna pin the elastic around. Since the elastic is obviously smaller than this width, we're gonna have to stretch it as we sew. That was, I give the difficulty of that maybe a 4 out of 10, mainly because doing elastic is always a little bit tricky, especially because I don't have the foot pedal to this machine. So I've been like just pressing the button and that's clearly not that safe. Oh my god! That's so cute!
Yeah, it looks really good.
Oh my god! Oh! Is that not so cute? Do you see that? That looks so good. Okay, I'm glad that my vision came to life. Since this DIY is kind of straightforward, I'm gonna be asking you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram. Maybe I can answer them while I do this. I am going to be working on these pants and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. One thing I've been doing is I've actually been sewing this together first, so that way it creates one big band, and then I am going to be pinning it good sides facing each other.
Where to buy a chic bed frame and dining table set, please?
Okay, so if you're in Toronto, I think Guff Toronto has really, really cool stuff. It's obviously not super, super like affordable, but I think for really good vintage pieces, they have great things. This actual desk that was in our dining room was, in our previous apartment, is actually a large desk. So it's our current desk right now. What am I trying to say? It's our current desk right now, but it was our dining table. So if you are in a smaller space, maybe look at an oversized work desk instead of a dining table and you may find a different look. I found a dining table and fingers crossed it's right. I'm still waiting for the lady to send me photos, but I am getting a vintage dining table and you guys are just gonna have to wait and see what I get. So we are finally done these pants and I'm so excited. Woo! I made this. That's so cute. Okay, so we're going to be doing pretty much the same thing to this bralette. I showed you guys it already. Okay, so I was just asked to predict 2021 trends. So I actually have a few, mainly based off of what I've been ingesting on TikTok and off of Vogue and stuff like that. I actually recently saw a TikTok by Amy Serrano. She actually has a YouTube channel as well and she's super on trend and everything. But one thing that she said that was going to be really hot is like space age. If you've ever seen Paco Rabanne's work, it's all very like chainmail and like large like sequins and saucers and stuff like that. So I can totally see that being really, really hot. Like thinking about like the Fifth Element type of vibe. I think that's going to be super, super dope. I'm going to sew now because I can't do two things at once.
Most expensive thing you're buying for your home?
The most expensive thing that we definitely had was a big investment for us and something I really, really wanted was brand new laundry machines. That was super, super exciting for us. We got ours off of Costco. It's like the LG something something. I'll put it up here, but it is amazing. I highly recommend it. It was $3,000. What is my best designer purchase? Probably I know I haven't worn it in a really long time, but one that I used to wear a lot was my Gucci Matelassé Mini. I forget the name of it, but it's a really, really cute little purse. Okay, so we're done sewing the bra.
Do you have any pet peeves?
Yeah, I have pet peeves in general, but not relationship. Indecisive drivers. Enough said. Okay, moving on to the last piece, which is another pair of sweatpants. So I'm just going to do it the exact same.
What was one of the most important characteristics you wanted during house hunting?
Oh, natural light, 100%. Just because of the nature of our work and we are just surrounded by windows here, which is amazing.
What is your latest home purchase that you love?
Latest home purchase that I love is 100% our coffee table. I'll have it linked down below, but it's really, really stunning and I know I'm gonna have it like forever. Any mental health coping tips that worked for this pandemic? To be honest, like, I mean, like so many of you guys, the pandemic has just been really, really, it's been hitting me hard mentally. Being inside for this amount of time, not being able to see family and friends and just not living a regular life obviously has taken its toll. One thing I've been focusing on lately is trying to get an adequate amount of exercise and then also meditating. I've been trying to meditate, stay off my screen when possible. Just know that you're not alone in this. I've had a really shitty week the week before. It happens to everybody and yeah, we're gonna get through it. Okay, so that was the last question, but we are going to finish up these. I'm going to sew them together and then we're going to do the grand reveal / before and after. I am so freaking happy with this. It's unbelievable. It's really cute. I feel like a total like Instagram girl. Like this is what they wear, right? That turned out super fire. Okay guys, you're gonna have to let me know which one was your favorite, and if you have any other DIY requests, please let me know in the description box. I'm so excited at how these turned out. They're gonna be in a lot of my videos, clearly.